I'm Rosalind Cockling. And this is my second recording. Now, we only realised that we had to do these excerpts yesterday, so I've only been able to learn 2 of them. Okay, here we go. And the other one. Thank you.
Right, tell me why you chose your instrument.
Well, I started off playing clarinet when I was really young, and at the time I wasn't sure what instrument I really wanted to play because I've grown up around music and I've been doing it all my life. And then the clarinet began to get too heavy for my hands because I was only 5 or 6, so I moved to the flute, and it didn't last long because I couldn't really get the notes out. So I decided to have a go at strings, violin in particular, because we'd been doing it in school. And I did a term of violin in school and 2 terms outside of school. I decided it just wasn't for me because it was hurting my fingers holding the strings. And then my brother joined a brass band, and I decided I'd also join. And they gave me a tenor horn to play because it was the only thing they had in the cupboard. And then we had a teacher come into school, French horn specialist, and he said I couldn't play it inside of school. So I started playing French horn outside of school. I had a chance to, and I took it. I started when I was just about to turn 11. And I've been playing for 2.5 years.
And what do you love most about music?
I love to play in groups. Like, I play in the school orchestra, but I also sing in the choir. And I love to listen to music and sing along to music outside of school as well.
What other musical activities you take part in? Any other instruments you still play?
I still play the tenor horn in the band. And of course, I've just said, I play my French horn in the school orchestra, and I sing in the school choir, and I also play the piano, because my mum's a piano teacher, and it's just something I can have fun with and improvise on.
And where do you see music taking you in the future?
I don't want to do music as a career. I'd rather focus on it as a hobby rather than as a job, because it's not something I'd want to do full time. I'd want to have breaks in between, but it helps me feel better when I'm feeling down.
You'd like to tell us about what scales and arpeggios you're going to play?
I'm going to play D flat major, 2 octaves, C sharp minor, 2 octaves, and the arpeggios for those 2 scales. flat major. C sharp minor.